Hello everyone, my name is Katie and I'm from Seattle, Washington. Hey everyone, I'm Alexa from South Carolina in the US.
Hallo an alle, ich bin Julia und ich freue mich sehr zu diesem. Salutări tuturor! Numele meu este Janina și sunt încântată.
Hola, soy Claudia, una chica chilena que...
大家好，我叫佩如，今天在这里。
Olá a todos, chamo-me Adélia, sou
Всем привет! Итак, мы рады сообщить вам о грандиозном событии.
For protect and preserve of story of these unique languages of the world.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine, that's amore. Bells will ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, and you'll sing Vita Bella. Hearts will play tippy-tippy-tay, tippy-tippy-tay, like a gay tarantella. When the stars make you drool, just like a pasta fazool, that's amore. When you dance down the street with a cloud at your feet, you're in love. When you walk in a dream, but you know you're not dreaming, signore. Scusa me, but you see, back in old Napoli, that's amore.